I wonder what Chinese crackers are like. I don't have to wonder anymore. Chinese corn crackers. Fragrant, rich corn. Whoa! That tastes like corn. That smells like corn. That's delicious. Like a pop chip, but it tastes really like sweet corn. This is a 6. I love, because I just had Sichuan pepper. That tastes like pure sugar. Ooh, the spice. I was going to give this like a 1 because it just tastes sugary, but with the spice is a 3. Very faint hint of cumin. 2. Bold! And spicy. Really sweet. Hot pot taste, but it's too sweet. I would say this is also a 2. Would you try to get your hands on some Chinese crackers?